Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 4. And the instruction to this question say we should choose the word that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the meaning that is in its list. Then, and the word here is revealed. Revealed. And the sentence say Mrs. Olajide revealed her husband's secret to her friends. Mrs. Olajide revealed her husband's secret to her friends. Now, revealed means to open. Yes, open up or expose or expose. When you say mentioned means expose. Mention means expose. Mention means disclosed. So you can see that this one cannot be, this one cannot be. Then discuss is the same thing as mentioned. The same thing as mentioned, so it cannot be. Then disclosed is the same thing as exposed. So it cannot be. So conceived means to hide. So conceived is our correct option. Option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.